If you are an investor who's looking for a blend of stability from large cap stock and growth from the mid cap stock, then is investing in the Helios large and mid cap fund a good option for you in the long run or not? Let us find out through an in-depth analysis in this video. Hi, welcome to holisticinvestment.in. We help individual investors like you to make the right financial and investment decision to reach your financial goals in a more faster and smarter way. So before analyzing this fund, let us first understand what our large and mid cap fund is about. So this is an equity mutual fund that invests in the stocks of both large sized and mid sized companies. So large cap companies are companies which are ranked from 1 to 100 based on the market capitalization, and the market cap for these companies is generally above 50,000 crores, and they are stable and trusted companies with a proven track record. And mid cap companies are ranked from 101 to 250 based on the market capitalization, and the approximate market cap for these companies ranges between 9,000 crores to 50,000 crores. So they might offer higher growth potential compared to large caps. So why can we invest in large and mid cap funds? So because if you look at large caps, they give you a combination of stability, and if you look at mid caps, they give you growth potential. Though there is a combination of stability and growth potential in this fund, so there is balanced risk and return compared to purely large or purely mid cap funds in the market. Now, as we have a basic understanding about what are large and mid cap funds, let us now move on to understanding a few basic details about the Helios large and mid cap fund. So as an NFO, it opens on 10th October 2024 and closes on 24th October 2024. And some of the key features of this fund is it is an open-ended fund type which belongs to the category of equity large and mid-cap, and it has Nifty large mid-cap 250 TRI as its benchmark index, and the exit load for this fund will be 1% if charged. 1% will be charged if you redeem it within 3 months, and there is no entry load, but the minimum investment amount needed to invest in this fund is 5,000 rupees. And the fund managers for this fund are Mr. Alok Bhal and Mr. Pratik Singh, and according to the riskometer, the risk involved in this fund is very high. Now if you take a look at the investment objective, so the primary investment objective of this fund is to provide long-term capital appreciation to the investors by investing predominantly in equity and equity related instrument of large cap and mid cap companies. Now as we have a basic understanding about this fund, now let us analyze its pros and cons to better understand if this will be a good fit for our investment portfolio or not. So let's start with the advantages. So there are 4 key advantages in this fund. So number 1 is a balanced exposure to large and mid cap stocks. So one of the main strengths of this fund is its balanced portfolio. So by investing in both large cap and mid cap stock, it gives you the best of both worlds: stability from established companies and growth potential from emerging mid-sized firms. Another advantage is the potential for higher returns. Since the fund includes a healthy proportion of mid cap stocks, it offers high return potential than purely large cap funds could give, especially during market rallies when mid cap stocks tend to outperform. Another advantage is that it's diversified across sector. So the fund doesn't stick to one sector, it spreads investment across various industries, providing diversification that helps to reduce sector specific risk. And another key advantage is the experienced management team. So Helios Fund House is known for its strong management team, which has a track record of navigating both large and mid-cap markets efficiently. This can provide investors with confidence in the fund's management. Now let us take a look at the cons of this fund, which is the disadvantage. So there are also 4 potential drawbacks to this fund. So number 1 is the higher volatility due to the mid-cap exposure. So while mid-cap stocks offer higher returns, they also come with higher volatility compared to large cap stock. So this means the fund could see sharper fluctuations, especially in a period of market downturn. And also another potential drawback is the active management cost. So as an actively managed fund, it comes with higher expense ratio compared to passive fund. So these fees could eat into your returns over time, especially if the fund doesn't perform as expected. And another drawback is the risk of underperformance in bear market. So during market downturn or during bear market period, what will happen is mid-cap stocks usually hit harder than large cap, which means the fund could potentially underperform during these periods. And finally, another key major potential drawback is that it's not ideal for short-term investor. Given the mid-cap exposure and the higher risk associated with it, this fund may not be the best choice for short-term investors looking for quick gains. So if you're a short-term investor who's looking to achieve your short-term financial goals through these funds, it will not be suitable for you because it is better suited for those with a long-term investment horizon. So you need to consider all these potential risks as well while choosing to invest in this fund. What is the final takeaway from our analysis? Is investing in the Helios large and mid-cap fund worth it or not? As you can see, this is a great option for investors who want a mix of stability and growth. So this fund offers higher return potential, but the added volatility from mid-cap exposure and higher management cost are important to consider. So make sure it aligns with your risk tolerance and investment goals. So it's completely up to you as an investor to decide whether investing in this will be suitable to you or not. But our personal opinion is, if you do want to invest in a mutual fund, it's better if you choose existing mutual fund that have a track record for minimum of 7 to 10 years, where it has completed the market cycle and you will be able to analyze how it has performed in the highs and lows, because it has a track record and you can see its past performance. But as an NFO, it's now only going to build a track record. Now only we are going to see how it is going to perform. So it's better if you choose something with a track record, because it will help you take a calculated risk while investing in a mutual fund without proper portfolio, track record and research is where investment will be very risky because you're taking blind risk. So especially if you're looking for funds to add to your core investment portfolio to achieve your main financial goals, then also it will be risky because you do not know what kind of risk we are taking. We do not know how it will perform in the future. So it's better if you do not invest in along with your core portfolio, because it can impact the returns in your overall investment portfolio. But if you do want to invest in the Helios large and mid cap fund just to see how it will perform in the long run, and if you have some surplus money, then you can invest in it with a minimal investment amount on a trial basis through your satellite portfolio. So this is just meant to be a supplementary holding. So over the period of time, if it performs well over the years, then you can increase the investment amount just to see how it fits your, according to what fits your investment goals. And finally, if you're struggling to invest, or if you're struggling to invest without any guidance, then you can seek for professional guidance by consulting with a certified financial planner who will be able to look at the suitability of the investment objective, risk profile, overlap ratio and allocation of this fund to your investment portfolio, and suggest you good funds that will suit your investment portfolio, and craft a personalized financial plan just for you to achieve your financial goals in a more faster and smarter way, making the investment journey hassle-free for you. So investing through professional guidance of financial planners could also be more helpful for you in the long run.
And if you want to gain more professional guidance through a professional financial planner, you can choose to book a one-on-one complimentary consultation with one of our professional financial planner through the link in the description. Also, if you want to gain more investment and financial insights through the leading experts in the finance industry, we also conduct regularly free live webinars through which you can register and gain these insights. The link is in the description. Also, if you like this video, definitely hit like and subscribe to YouTube channel so we can come up with more such financially beneficial content for you. Thank you for watching.